Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Ackerman. Welcome to my second grade class. I am so happy I get to be your teacher this year. Since we cannot meet in person for this open house this year, I'm going to introduce myself to you through a PowerPoint. First, a little bit about me is I love my job. I love to teach. I got my elementary education degree at Newman University. This will be my 9th year of teaching. I have taught kindergarten and 3rd grade, and this will be my 2nd year teaching 2nd grade. I love teaching because I think it's fun to watch how much kids can grow and succeed through the year. I cannot wait to watch how much you guys grow and succeed through this year. I also love to listen to my students tell me stories and learn new things from them as well. This is my family. My husband Ross, my 2-year-old Quinn, who I'm holding, and my 1-year-old Macy, who my husband is holding. I am also pregnant and will be going on maternity leave at the end of October. I hope to be back by January. Here are some pictures of my classroom. I will show you around my classroom tomorrow on the first day of school, and you can see all the things around my room. Some important items for this year is we are going to use the Shobi app to do our assignments. The students will have paper assignments here at school just so we can make sure we are working on good handwriting. However, when they go home, they will have to do the rest of their assignment at home. They can always take a picture of their homework and send it to me through Shobi, and I can grade it that way. Assignment books will also be coming home. The students will be writing their assignments down every morning to know what is expected to be done that day. It will also be the main way that I let parents know what kind of day each student has had. Reading logs will go home every Monday, and I would like for you to fill it out through the week. I'm asking for you guys to read 90 minutes per week. The following Monday, I'll ask you to send a picture of that filled out reading log to my email, or you can send it to me through Shobi. Class parties will look a little different this year. This year, I'm asking for each child to bring $8, $2 per party, and since visitors cannot be allowed. Instead, I will pick up the snacks, the drinks, and I will come up with activities and art for each party. More information will be sent home in the 2nd grade handbook about other activities and need-to-know information for this year. Some new expectations for this year is that the students, when they come to school every morning, they will get their temperatures checked by this machine. They will have to put their face in front of it, and it will tell them if they are normal or above normal temperature. The students will have to wear their masks when they are taking this temperature as well. They will also have to wear masks throughout the day and they will have to try to maintain a 6-foot social distance from one another. Students will be asked to sanitize their hands every hour as well. These are all to help keep us safe and healthy throughout the year. Here is my contact information. My email is callia@usd381.org. The school phone number is 620-385-0556, and my cell phone number is 620-385-0533. I am so excited to have you each in my class this year. I am looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have a great day.